Hello everyone and welcome to this video on conversational agents with ChatGPT. In this video we'll be exploring the world of conversational agents and how ChatGPT is leading the way in creating natural and engaging conversations. So, the first one that I want to talk about is what are conversational agents. I will ask ChatGPT, but for me first let's define what the meaning of conversational agents is simply. Put, they are computer programs that can engage in conversations with humans through natural language. They can understand natural language input, generate appropriate response, and interact with humans in the way that feels like a conversation. And like that, we asked the same question to ChatGPT, and it gives us his answer to this thing. The second thing that I want to point out is the rise of conversational agents. So, for me, conversational agents have been around for many years, but recent advances in natural language processing and machine learning have made them more powerful and effective than ever before. They are now being used in a wide range of industries, from customer services to healthcare to education. So I asked ChatGPT again, you can pause the video, you can read it, it gives his answer mainly for the most part in a brief and wider way. And the third one that I wanna cover in this video information is ChatGPT is the leading conversational agent. That's why we are talking about it. I will put it that we see what he will tell us. But one of the most advanced and effective conversation agents in the market today, yes, it is ChatGPT. It's based on a GPT 3.5 architecture. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that can understand and generate natural language responses to wide range of queries. So, if you wanna read everything about that, you can ask it by yourself, that you can train on it, or you can read everything in the video, you can pause it. So, and how does, for me, ChatGPT works? So, ChatGPT works by analyzing user input and generate a response that relevant and natural sounding. It uses machine learning algorithms to continuously improve in performance, learning from each interaction it has users. So we had an interaction today with it with these questions, and every day we can get a new answer, more detailed, more better answer from it. That's how it learns, that's how it works, and it's better for each day. And application. So ChatGPT has a wide range of applications for customer services to virtual assistant chatbots. It can be used in handle customer inquiries, providing personalized recommendations, or even create personalized content for users. So in conclusion, conversational agents with ChatGPT are changing the way we interact with computers and are opening a new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. As a technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more powerful and effective conversational agents like ChatGPT in the future that can help us to do our work or something else that we need. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this information. Try it out, play it by yourself, see what it does. If you enjoyed this video, like more videos like this, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!